Today I will show you how to beta test your app through the App Up Center. We've been getting a lot of reports that a lot of developers don't know how to do beta testing, and I think it's really important that developers do beta testing to improve their chances of passing validation. To begin, let's talk about the tools that you need to do this tutorial. First, you need Microsoft Windows XP or 7. You need an account on the Intel App Up Developer Program. You'll need an account on Intel App Up Center. You'll need the actual app MSI. And finally, you need Internet Explorer. Now, in regarding to the accounts, I recommend to make your life simple and organized that you have an account that's separate from the App Up Developer Program and an App Up Center. Having two different accounts is very helpful, and it makes your life simple in terms of not getting messages everywhere and kind of organizing what account goes where. But they can be the same if you want to do so to make less passwords you have to remember. First, if you have not downloaded Intel App Up, please download that now and put that on your device. And if you download it, it will look something like this, where you can log in, download apps, and so forth. Next, if you have not joined the App Up Developer Program, please do that now. And most of you have already done that, and I imagine you understand what the SDK is, our initialization authorization code, MSIs, and so forth. So after you've uploaded the MSI through the app submission process, most likely you'll get to this dialog where it says you need to come back in 60 minutes to let the app kind of go through our system. So at this point, you want to select Save and Exit. Okay. Now, if your app is very large, like 1 gigabyte, 1.5 gigabyte, 900 megs, these very large apps, that 60 minutes is not long enough. It takes several hours. So I recommend that you consider that when you upload your app, how big it is. Okay. Now, if it's a small app, 60 minutes is plenty of time. Okay. So you save and exit, and you come back in an hour. When you come back, what you're going to see is this, where you can add beta testers, and it'll show up the accounts that already have beta testing. And these accounts are linked to this App Up store. Okay? So once you've added that into your account, what you can do is go back into here, you can log in, and then you'll see on My Apps, you'll see the apps that you are been selected to beta test. And at this point, you can download and test the app as if it's live on the store. Okay? The app is actually not live. You're just beta testing it. So it just pretends to have all the same features. At this time, you can do all your testing, such as meta testing, such if the app is running correctly on the desktop and through the store. Now, if it's running on both the desktop icon or programs menu, and it runs through the store, there's a good chance your app's going to pass validation. Then there's also the issue of meta validation, but that is something that you need to test on your own to make sure it has correct content and so forth. Other than that, you're ready to go. Thank you. Bye.